Welcome back, friends. Let's see another important database scenario. Let me share my screen. Now, friends, so if you observe the input contains two sections. One is the order section and the customer section. Okay. So order array contains the order details and customer array contains the customer details of those corresponding orders. So in this specific input, there is two orders, order 001 and order 002. Order 001 done by customer C1 and order 002 is made by customer C2. So the expected output is we need the complete the order. Here only one order given, but here are two orders, each order and corresponding the customer details I need to know. So here there are customer and order in a separate arrays, but we want both include into a single statement. This is a order and this is a customer like that. Okay. So let's see how we club the order and the customer. So what I am doing is here the join is the customer ID. So in the order the customer ID is there and the same customer ID mentioned in the customer details. So we need to look up when we want to get the corresponding customer for the order. I need to look up the customer array, right? So I'm just writing a simple function. The function will take the customer ID as an argument, right? And it return the customer object. Okay. So I'm just writing a simple function get customer, and it takes the customer ID as an input parameter. Right. So what is the body of this function is payload dot customers right. I want to filter the payload of customers. Filter this item I will change into some related name. Now here cust dot customer ID is equal to whatever ID I sent to this function as input parameter, customer ID, right? So I develop a small function. It takes the customer ID as an input and returns the customer object. Let's test this function first before going to the whole solution. So I want customer object for C2. Get customer of what I'm doing is some C2. Let's see how it returns. Oh, C2 is not in C2. Yeah. So it returns the customer C2 is Jancy. Oh, right. And I want to C1, customer of C1 is Mohan. Yes, my function is working good. I can use this function. Now, what I'm doing is I'm iterating over the orders now. Payload dot orders, right? Map, and this is I may change his order, right? And for each order, I want order ID. Already I have in the order. So order dot order ID. And the second one is in the output, customer ID is expected one. And customer ID. So order contains the customer ID also. I can use that one. Order dot customer ID. Now the third parameter is customer name. So this customer name is not in the order, right? For that, I can call this function and get the customer object first. Customer name is equal to get customer of the corresponding customer ID, get customer of order.customer ID. I can send over here as a input parameter. Therefore, I got the corresponding customer. I don't want everything. So what I'm doing is dot name, and it returns an array. I want only one thing. So I'm taking 0th index, right? Customer name Madan, customer name Jansi. And finally, email. Here also I can make use the function I returned. Email, same thing. I can copy paste over here. Just change the field name. Instead of name, I change to email. Yeah, this is the expected output. It's combination of orders and the customer. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see in the next data scenario. Thank you so much.